Here's how to send a Target eGift card. First, you want to launch open any web browser. Now search for Target gift cards and click on this website right here. Now you want to select the type of gift card you want to send. Then you want to browse the thematic designs and select a card layout. Then tap on Add to Cart option. Here you need to select the delivery method. You can select from email, mail and text. Next you want to select the value. You can choose a predetermined value or input a custom amount from $5 to $500. Then you want to select the delivery method. If you want pickup, delivery or shipping. Then tap on the cart icon. Then you want to proceed to checkout. Here, submit your payment details to place your order. Now, eGift cards are generally transmitted to recipient within 4 hours of ordering. Delivery can be planned up to 3 months in advance. Recipients can use the barcode from their device inside any brick-and-mortar location or copy the data to shop@target.com. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.